Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can answer a call with volume button on Samsung phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your phone application on your Samsung phone, and after that you just need to click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can select settings option right here, and after that you can select answering and ending calls right here. Just tap on it, and since we want to answer a call with volume button, we can click on the circle button, and now you will be able to answer a call with your volume button. You have to press volume up to answer a call that you get on your Samsung phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can answer a call with volume button on the Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.